What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video with the night crew. In today's video, we're going to be installing this Starlight Headliner Kit for Bryce's truck. So without further ado, let's get into it. We got the headliner drop. We're going to be marking it up with a Sharpie to see where we need to poke the holes, and then once we get them all in, we're going to show you how we took it apart in a more detailed version. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, guys, so we got the headliner back up, and basically what we took apart, we took the A pillar trim off. You just pop these two off, and then there's two bolts in there, and you just undo them. And if you go right here, you got two, I believe they're 8mm, and then one torque screw in this one, and you got to unscrew it so that it loosens it up enough so that you can drop it down in the front.
It's the same thing with the other side.
Same as the other side. And this, you don't have to take this off. This, it's all wired on the headliner, and it just runs, I believe it's the right here.
Yeah, it's that pillar. Like the driver's side pillar.
With the B pillar, you have to take these two right here. They just pop right out. And then there's the same two bolts that were up here.
Yeah, these were 210s, right?
I believe so.
Yeah, those are 210s. And this was
Big
T50.
It's a big torque.
Yeah, it was a T50.
You just pop this off. I don't know if we can. It's this one right here.
T50.
Just hold your steering or your seat belt in. And you just pop it right off. You just take that one out on both sides. And
then you can just pop these two off, and that'll yeah, the headliner starts sagging. And then back here, the C pillar, there's one Phillips screw right here behind this trim piece, and then it just pops out. And then this is also a Torx bit. Yeah, that's a Torx bit. And this just pops out like that. We still gotta put the cover back on. But
there's two clips on each. There's one clip on each corner.
Yeah,
I don't really know what they run to,
but that was it.
It's really not that complicated.
Yeah.
The hardest part was,
it's just time consuming doing each individual 800 of these lights. Now we got to clip them, so we're gonna do that and then show you what it looks like after.
and this is how it looks. Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to let us know what you want us to do in the next one. Peace.